the events of our lives are all like the multitudes that waited for Jesus. Everything in us waits for and shouts with joy at the appearance of the Christ within, the Spirit of God in our midst. In our spiritual nature, we recognize the Christ Spirit when it appears in our consciousness. We feel uplifted. We're filled with a sense of praise and song. For we know that when Spirit enters our lives, transformation takes place. If for any reason we're downcast in spirit or in need of healing, if we need peace and order in our affairs, if we long for happiness and love in our lives, let us welcome divine presence into our lives and hearts on this Palm Sunday. Blessed is he that cometh in the name of the Lord. Matthew chapter 21, verse 9.